You want a girlfriend, but not just any girlfriend. You want a baddie. You want a complete dime piece. I'm going to teach you exactly how to achieve this. But first, as your honorary older brother of YouTube, I must give you a warning beforehand. Now, even if you get a hot girlfriend or just a girlfriend in general, there is something not really discussed in this modern era. People talk about how drugs can completely ruin your life, how alcohol can completely destroy your life, but women I've seen destroy men's lives more than anything. So as you're trying to get this hot girlfriend, this baddie, this dime piece, never forget to always put yourself first. If something is not serving you, if something's not adding into your life, you have to cut it. It does not matter how hot she is. If she does not contribute to your life, you gotta let her go, man. So without further ado, let's get it. We must begin with a very harsh truth, and it's the fact that 20% of men are dating 80% of the women. So what does this mean? It means 80% of you guys are not even attractive towards women from their female gaze. So if you even want to have a chance these days, you have to become better than 80% of the male population, which is incredibly easy these days. If you don't know how to do that, go watch the rest of my channel. As long as you are staying in shape, you're hitting the gym consistently, you have over $1,000.
You're fucking poor!
You have a consistent haircut, you smell good, you have reasonable fashion. This literally puts you in the 20%. It's not that hard these days, so take care of yourself. That's before anything else. The next step is you really want to quit pornography. And now I'm going to tell you exactly why. I actually did this for the first time when I was a teenager, when I really wanted a girlfriend. And what happens after a couple days without porn, without masturbating, not even talking about health benefits, we're talking about pure motivation. You're motivated to go out there and meet women. You have all this energy. You don't care if you're going to get rejected. You don't care about anything.
I didn't care about anything. And then it happened.
You just want to talk to girls at this point. And so if you feel like it's hard for you to go talk to girls, find a date, find a girlfriend, stop watching these videos, man. You're going to get the surge of motivation to go find the woman of your dreams, man. If you truly want a baddie, a dime piece, she's not going to be on the dating apps. First of all. Second of all, 99% of women on the dating apps are just there for hookups. Now, if you meet up with a girl from Tinder, for example, and she says she's not looking for a hookup, she's lying to you, my brother. You want to find the best girls possible for a relationship, for a girlfriend, and the hottest girls, she's not going to be on the dating app. So where will she be? The best places is going to be gym, school, the church, the mall, the library, and a personal secret that I have. You can steal this. I'm going to give it to you. The place with the hottest girls who are typically going to be the best girls possible too, it's going to be Sephora. So go in there, shop around, act like you're shopping for your mother, get some stuff for yourself, and just pick and choose who you want, man. It's the perfect place. The best way to approach these girls in any of these places is just to go up to her, introduce yourself. Say, hey, my name's Austin, what's your name? And the truth is, if she likes you, she will want you to say anything to her. There's literally not a wrong thing that you can say. And then if she doesn't like you, she's already gonna know before you open your mouth. There's nothing that you can say to fix this. So that's what you guys need to know. She's already decided in her mind if she wants to sleep with you, if she wants to talk to you before you go talk to her. So it doesn't even matter what you say. Just go introduce yourself. Be cool. Don't be creepy. And now, if you do not know, Instagram is the new dating app. This is the Tinder for people who do not want to be on Tinder. So you need to optimize your Instagram profile in order to meet the people that you want to. And then go to the location of which you are staying. And then search the girls on that location. You can like a couple of their photos, you can follow them, you can message them, whatever. I think this is much more effective than Tinder, in my personal opinion, and it's going to get girls a lot better for girlfriend material. Now, how do you build a physique? Well, you have to lift heavy weights consistently for like 5 to 10 years. You have to diet consistently. How do you build a business? You consistently try new things. You consistently get better and better. So when it comes to dating, a lot of you guys want to know the magic words, the magic secret. Honestly, man, you just have to do it. So ask out a whole bunch of girls. Don't commit to anybody. Line up a whole bunch of dates. Go on all these dates. You can even use Tinder for this just to get practice if you really want to. But get as many dates as possible so you get this experience. And then you get to pick and choose who you want to. Please, the worst thing you can do is go on one date. She seems okay. You ignore like a couple of the red flags. And you continue going exclusively with her. This is the worst thing that you can do, man. One huge hack on all these dates that you're going on is going to be the dynamic. Alright, so most of you guys go on these dates, you're like playing 20 questions with her. It's almost like you're trying to hype yourself up. You're trying to look like you're all that. You're trying to pretty much qualify for her. No, stop this, man. You need to have her qualify for you, so talk less. Don't talk about yourself. Make her talk. Make her open up. Make her tell you everything. Make her qualify for you. Make sure that she's even worth being in your presence, man. So date a couple of these girls, maybe 2, 3, for a couple months. And then once you see so many red flags, you have to know when to cut a girl. And then after 2, 3 months, if you continue liking this girl, everything's going well, she fits all your standards, then you can be boyfriend, girlfriend. So that's exactly how you get a girl. Basically, according to your looks, according to your status, she can be as hot as possible. By the way, guys, I will tell you a secret. The hot girls rarely ever get approached. They actually usually have the smallest egos, and they don't even think they're hot because not that many people give them attention. It's these 6 and these 7s. They think that they're 10s. Because every guy approaches them. So the market for the baddies, it's actually pretty slim. But it's still difficult to find them. They're like this little diamond in the world, man. They're difficult to truly find. And when you do find one, just go for it. Just go for it. I believe in you. In the description box for one-on-one coaching with me, Austin Wayne, my supplements. Make sure to subscribe. Best self-improvement channel on YouTube. That's it. Love you guys.